Hi everyone, welcome to my talk. Today we are going to talk about something amazing, something cool, something that I think we all struggle with at some point. That is cloud complexity. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. My name is Denish Tomar and I am a developer at Cumulus. That means I spend my time helping developers like you, navigating cloud native technologies, simplify infrastructure, and most importantly, avoid unexpected cloud bill that make your CFO cry. So let's jump right in. All right, let's talk about chaos. Who here has deployed something to the cloud thinking it's a small update? And boom, your Slack notification explode. Yeah, it's happened to me. One morning, I pushed what I thought was a simple change. Within few minutes, alert was firing off like a New Year Eve's fireworks show. And we all know that the worst part, bill at the end of the month. And cloud billing can sometimes feel like a mystery novel. You never know the ending, what is going to happen. And as you can see in the slide, there is a picture which shows before and after. And in my case, before was a nightmare of hidden cost and confusions. I thought that this can't be right. This was when I knew I had to find a better way. So this was my wake up call. Cloud itself isn't the problem. It's how we manage it. I realized we need only three things. First one is transparency. Like know exactly what we are paying for. And second one is simplicity, like cut down complexity in configurations. And last one is flexibility. No vendor lock-ins and no more headaches. Imagine this full visibility into your cloud resources, like turning on the light in the dark. It was sudden realization for me also. Like it was like switching from an old telephone to the latest smartphone. As you can see on this slide, there is a picture which shows you are going from old telephone to latest smartphone in the digital world. And suddenly I was in control instead of my cloud controlling. So this is where Cumulus comes in. Let me tell let me tell you about a real world case. One of our client was struggling with unpredictable cost and multiple vendors. Every month was a surprise bill for him, and that's not good for him. With Cumulus, we switched to our model to the fixed cost and no metering model. Instead of getting bill for every single operations or every single resources, we used a simple predictable unit-based system called Cumulus Compound Unit. It was like a turning chaotic file of papers into a neatly organized filing cabinet, and like switching from pay per minute phone plan to unlimited data. Suddenly, cloud spending become as predictable as Netflix subscriptions. After everything, I learned that I have come with three golden rules for the cloud sanity. First one is simplify. Complexity does not make you smarter. It just make you troubleshooting harder. Imagine this is assembling IKE furniture without the manual, but with not the fun. And the second one is transparent. You wouldn't order food at the restaurant if they refuse to show you prices. Good cloud should work the same way. And the last one is stay flexible. No vendor should own your infrastructure choices. Keep your options open, just like you, keeping backup snack in your case of meal disappoint. The benefits are like less stress, predictable budgets, and more time for the innovations. Who wouldn't want this? Of course, we all want this. And so at the end, here's the key points. The cloud doesn't have to be source of stress. With the transparency, simplified management, and the freedom to choose what best for us, we can turn into a powerful ally. As the Cumulus says, that Cumulus shows us to it's not the about fighting the cloud. It's about mastering it. And like as you can see in this slide, there is a guy who is thinking what is happening on the earth. And after he get to know about the Cumulus, now he is a just chill guy. He can enjoy by himself. So thank you. All right, let's wrap up this. I hope you enjoyed my talk and found it eye opening. Since this is a pre-recorded conference, if you got any doubts, questions, or just wants to chat with me, feel free to ping me on the social media. You can find me on the and Twitter. I had love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for your time.